Welcome back, friends. Now in this lesson we will see quick overview of Oberlo. So what is Oberlo? Oberlo is a Shopify app by using which you can manage and maintain your AliExpress to Shopify dropshipping business, and it's having a tons of features. So why we should go with Oberlo? Why not with other apps? So this I am explaining you in this lesson. Okay. So now we will see some features of it, how you can save your lots of time by using some of the automation features of Oberlo. So number one feature is import. It imports products from supplier, means it will import products from AliExpress to your Shopify store within only one click. Okay. As I told before, if you download the product images from AliExpress and copy the product title and all the variations, if you do manually on your store, it will take maybe 1 hour. Okay. Or if you want to set up 50 or 100 products on your store, so it will take maybe 1 week or 2 weeks to build your store. So by using this importing feature, you can create your store within 1 hour. Okay. After that, you can fulfill all orders automatically. Okay, it's having a feature. I will show you in next lessons how to do this. The next feature is inventory and price auto updates. The biggest problem in dropshipping business is that the price updates. When you take any product from Amazon or eBay or AliExpress or any other website and you put on your store and you are selling it on some price, but if the price increases on that website, your supplier's website, then it should be updated on your site only also. Okay, if it's not updating, you may get loss in your business. Okay, so Oberlo will maintain the price updates. Okay, it will always check the inventory and price updates also. If the product is not available on that supplier's account, so it will show on your Shopify store as a out of stock. Okay, you can customize the product images, product titles and product description. Okay, it will not put product directly to your Shopify store. It will give you chance to customize the product. Okay, so you need not to worry about the product images or title or description. Okay, you can customize all these things. Okay, pricing automation, you can set the formula that how much price should be increase or decrease. You can set this. Okay, regarding price, you can track the shipments of your product. Okay, the next thing, you can have multiple user accounts. If you want to give your Shopify store to a developer, or if you want to give to access to your virtual assistant to manage your store, so you can have here multiple accounts. Okay, next, you can track your sales. Another one, you can filter the products with e-packets. So e-packets is a feature on AliExpress by using which the suppliers from China, they will send products to UK or US within 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, so this is a very reliable feature. When you are doing your dropshipping business, you must have e-packet features in the supplier section. So the last, and you have so many features in Oberlo. I am not going to discuss each and every one here, but the main point which I want to show you is you can start with Oberlo freely. Okay, that's why I was telling you that it is a beginner friendly. So when you start your Shopify store, till if you are not getting 500 orders, okay, per month, till that time you need not to pay to Oberlo, and you can use this software freely. So this is the tremendous feature of Oberlo. Okay, and now in next lessons we will see how to start with Oberlo. Okay friends, thank you very much.